Hey guys, Lauren Francois here, two-star diamond 2015 Premier Beachbody Coach. And today I want to show you how to promote your page and run Facebook ads for your Facebook like page. So I have my Facebook like page up right now. And so there are a few ways to increase your following by running Facebook ads. And the thing that I love about Facebook ads is they allow you to really target your ideal customer, to run the ad for as long or short of a period of time as you want, and to spend as much money as you want. So I know a common misconception is that it costs a lot of money to run Facebook ads, and that actually is not the case. So you can set your budget. You can actually run ads for a very small amount of money to start building your following. So I have my page up here. The first thing that you can do is actually promote your page. So as you can see right here, usually on the left-hand side right here, there is a button that says Promote Page. If you click that button, you will pop up and you'll see that it is automatically populated with your cover photo. So you can leave it as your cover photo, otherwise you can edit and you can upload a new image or you can upload a video. So I have actually promoted my page a few times in the past with a video that I created, which is really cool. You also can include some verbiage here. You are limited to 90 characters. So this is what pops up here in the ad. And you want to be very strategic about what you are saying because you only have 90 characters. So let's say I just wanted to run the ad with my cover photo because my cover photo is meant to really explain what my page is all about. Then I would just press save. I actually would probably adjust this text. I'll delete that for now just to make sure it accurately describes what my page is about, which it isn't exactly doing right here, but we're just going to leave it like that for now. I'll press save. Then the next thing you can do is create your audience, and this is where you can really target your ideal customer. So if you have not done the exercise yet where you create your ideal customer, that is a whole nother training and I would suggest you go do that. But I have already done that, so I know who my ideal customer is. It's a woman. She's between the ages of 27 and 33, so I selected those things. She lives in either the United States or Canada, and she has these interests. So she likes Chalene Johnson. She likes or has a chocolate lab. She's interested in clean eating. She likes watching E! I know, guilty pleasure. She is interested in running or has run half marathons before. She enjoys fashion. She likes Kate Spade and Tory Burch. She likes to follow Lauren Conrad. She's a newlywed. She's interested in weight loss and working out. She's also interested in nutrition, running, dogs, boating. So you can get really specific with the targeting here. And all you have to do is scroll down and click here and type in whatever you want to target. So let's say I love Ivanka Trump. She is someone that I really look up to and follow. I could also target Ivanka Trump, people who also like Ivanka Trump. So that is the way that you can really get specific targeting and target your ads to your ideal customer or coach. And depending on whether you are looking for, if you're, creating an ad for a challenge group or creating an ad for a coaching internship or mentorship, you might adjust your targeting accordingly. So let's keep scrolling here. The next thing you can do is you can choose your daily budget. So this is where you decide how much you want to spend. So let's say you just want to spend $1 a day. So I'll say I want to spend $1 daily, and you can either have the ad run for a certain duration, or you can set when you want it to run until. So let's say I want it to run for a full week, so I select the 28th. You guys, I'm only going to spend $7, which is amazing. So I'm able to target my ideal customer for $7. The last thing I want you to do is go over here. This is what your ad is going to look like. So this is what it'll look like on your desktop news feed. So if someone sees the ad from their computer, if you click on mobile newsfeed, this is what the ad will look like on a mobile phone. So you want to make sure that your image is you can fully view it on a mobile phone. And then there's this right column. So this would be on the right-hand side of Facebook. The ad will pop up. Sometimes you can unselect this right column, and I usually do just because I don't personally pay attention to ads on the right-hand column, but it looks like right now I'm not able to unselect that. So if I was going to promote my page, that is how I would do it. I would click promote, and the ad would go to Facebook to be reviewed and then either approved or denied. So there are certain things Facebook doesn't like you to do. Usually in photos, your text can only be 20% of the photo. So if you have too much text, your ad might be denied. Facebook doesn't really like before and after photos. So if you're doing something like that, your ad might be denied. But just give it a try, and if it comes back, they'll usually tell you why it was not approved. But if it's approved, then you're all set. It's running. If for some reason you need to edit your ad, what you can do is click over here on Promote and go to Ads Manager. So Ads Manager is where all of your ads and where you can edit an ad. So these are all, it has a list of all the ads that you've run. And over here, if you have an active ad, so it's saying my ad is active, you can click here and say edit campaign if you need to edit the ad, or if you want to stop the ad, you just click over here and it will stop the campaign for you. So that's one way of creating a Facebook ad to promote your page. Let's say you wanted to create an ad from a post that you've done. What you can do is you can either create the ad in here in the Ads Manager. Otherwise, an easier way is to just go to that post that you made and click this little boost post. So if you click that, it's basically saying Facebook to run this post as an ad for me. And you can either choose your audience. Up here you can say you just want this ad to run to people who like your page, people who like your page and their friends, or you can choose through targeting. I like to choose through targeting. What'll happen once you create one audience is it'll populate in here, and you can choose an audience that you've already created, or you can create a new audience. If you create a new audience, it will take you to the same kind of format that you saw on the Promote the Page example that I just did. So you can name your audience, you can select all these things and create an audience and save it. Then your audience will show here. Again, you can set your total budget, you can set your duration. It will tell you how many people your ad is going to reach based on your targeting, your budget, and your duration. And then you just click boost, and it goes through the same process of approval, and then that post runs as an ad for you. Now, as you can see here, I was able to unselect the right-hand column, and this ad will only appear in the desktop newsfeed and in a mobile newsfeed. So it will only appear right in the newsfeed. It won't appear on the right-hand column. So I would click boost, and that's how I can boost a photo or a post. There are some other options to promote your page, and those can be done through the Ads Manager by selecting Create Ad. When you do it this way, it will bring up different options. So you can still boost your post from here. You can still promote your page. If you have a website, you can do an ad that sends people to your website. Or if you want to reach people near your business, if you have a physical location, you can do that. As a Beachbody coach, you probably wouldn't do that, but that's an option. If you have a specific offer, or if you just want to collect leads for your business. So you have a lot of options to run different types of ads, but no matter what you do, it's going to take you through a very similar process that I just showed you with promoting your page or boosting your post. Now, the last thing I wanted to mention is that once you have an ad running, you can go and see kind of how that ad is performing for you in this home screen of your Facebook ads. So you can see how many page likes you're getting from it, or if it's a video, the number of views, your reach, your cost per like or cost per view, the amount that's spent, and when the ad will end. So that's how you run Facebook ads. Like I said, they're amazing because they really allow you to get very targeted in terms of who you want the ad to reach, and you can set your budget. So you don't have to spend a lot of money. You can spend as little as $1 a day and just start slowly building your following. And as your business grows, you can decide if you want to spend more, and you can always adjust right in the middle of the campaign as well. So you can edit your campaign, you can stop your campaign. So it's really a very efficient way of reaching your ideal customer and growing your following. So that is Facebook ads for you. If you guys have any questions, please comment below and I will be sure to get them answered for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.